Welcome to the world of Pierpoint Plumbing in Lee's Summit, Missouri, a beacon of reliability in the realm of plumbing. For many a year, we've been the go-to solution for all your plumbing needs, big or small. Our skilled plumbers, seasoned by years of experience, stand ready to bring you top-notch services. Whether you're cozying up in your home, launching a new construction project, or running a bustling business, Pierpoint Plumbing is but a dial away. Imagine the convenience of a faucet replacement or the peace of mind from a newly installed water main, all done with utmost precision and professionalism. We're not just about fixing pipes, we're about bringing comfort, security, and satisfaction to your doorstep. So when you think of plumbing, think Pierpoint Plumbing, the trusted name in Lee's Summit, Missouri, and beyond.